Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be covering, cute little Valentine's Day. That's what's up next. So I'm going to be using IBD, Just Gel, Chic to Chic. Again, I really love IBD. It is all gel. A lot of people don't know that, so it doesn't get thick or lumpy or anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys some cute little nail art using this. And it's something quick and easy. When you're applying your colors, thin is good. The thinner, the better. You'll have a better cure and you won't have any ripples. You know, some people put their gel on like it's regular polish and it's not. Oh, fuzzy wuzzy. Let's get that out. Go ahead. Beautiful color. I just need to do a 15-second cure. Now, of course, if I was doing all 10 nails, I would do all 5 first, cure that hand, and work on the other hand while that's curing. About time that's done, you're done with this hand, it'll be time to go ahead and work on the opposite hand. So keep that in mind. This is just for demo purposes only. And I'm gonna go ahead and do one more coat. I love this color. Again, thinner, the better. Now that that has cured, we're gonna go ahead and take it out. Like I said, it's so pretty. I wanna use some gel polish. Oh yes, E Nail Couture. Max Estrada, I love his stuff too. He has some really good product and polishes, which is really good. All his products are good, so shout out to Max. And I'm gonna put out my red color. This is a color that I'm working on. I have a gel color line that I'm working on as well, so I'm super excited about that. It just takes time, but I love this red. I use it on a lot of my clients. Oh, speaking of Max, I'm using one of his brushes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do some abstract art. And again, it's Valentine's Day. I'm not big into like the hearts and all the foo-foo stuff, but I do like doing color schemes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do some abstract art. And still for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna go ahead and 15-second cure. Now this is something quick, easy, fun. You don't have to put a lot of work into it. 15 seconds is good. I'm gonna go in with my red, all right? And I'm just gonna kind of hit the white. Or wherever, you know. There we go. 15 seconds. Let that cure for 15 seconds. If you want, you could put like, some lines. I'm gonna make this like very 90s-ish. Oh, I can't talk today. 90-ish, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make these 90-ish. With the lines and stuff like that and the dots. Gotta love dots. Let me get this out. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little dotting tool and I'm gonna put some dots in there. I can do white and red, which I'm going to definitely do. In the 90s, there's a lot of lines and dots and stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and cure this real quick because I want to put some. The thing is I like layering my nail art, and it gives a different dimension and stuff. So I like to layer it and do stuff that's fun and quick. So even if you did this on like 3 nails or 4 nails or whatever, even if you did this on all 10, it would be really quick. It's not like you're putting a lot of time into it, and you'll still be making money off of doing this. So I'm gonna go where the white dots are and put like some red on top of them. And I'm gonna do the same the white, okay? So come through. Oh. Coat on top of that, and that's pretty much it for that nail. Like, again, it doesn't have to be super complex, and you know, it's whatever people have in their budget that allows them to spend what they can. You know, you can still do affordable nail art for people, you know, whose budget might be a little tight. This right here, I would charge an extra $10 for this, because literally it took me no time to do this. Like, it's nothing. It's super cute, super fun, and easy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my top coat on. My RBH, Rocked by Holly top coat. No wipe, I should continuously say. It's a no wipe top coat. Let's go ahead and... Okay. See, still cute. And you can do this in reverse, you know, if you want to do white with red, pink, you know, as the white as the base, or if you want to do red as the base and still do the same thing. So again, I'm gonna cure for 1 minute, 60 seconds, and then there you go. You're gonna have some beautiful nail art. You know, I really appreciate you guys taking the time out to watch my video and to just give me a try. You know, I've been doing nails for 20 something years, and I absolutely love what I do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope it was something that you can look forward to doing in the future. Until then, enjoy, and remember, we're all rock stars. Thank you guys.